Hello, good morning. Good morning. Can you listen?
Hello, yes. Good morning, sir.
How are you?
So fine.
Nishant, are you there?
Yeah. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. So, what is the update?
Sir, I had read the book chapter Eigenvalues and Vectors, and
Hmm.
I made some comments like required edits in the
Hmm.
PDF,
Hmm.
and these are needed to be updated after you like. I will give a presentation, so these are needed to be updated in the overview.
Oh, can you explain that? What is that?
Hello, yes, sir. Yes, sir. I okay. So should I share my screen?
Yes, you can do anything what you feel is required.
Okay, sir. Let me go to the page. Okay, sir. So is my screen visible?
Yes. Is it in?
Okay, so sir,
It is in overleaf or where? PDF.
yes, sir. Like I have made some comments, so like I will
Means
explain them now, and yeah,
it has taken
it is
from
in PDF.
PDF of overleaf. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have downloaded it and then made some comments, and then I will update them in the overleaf
Okay.
after
Okay.
this presentation.
Okay. Hmm.
Okay, so I was going through this chapter, eigenvalues and vectors. So
Hmm.
first of all, I found a error over there. So I think this would be ax is equals to lambda x. So I think lambda is missing over here. So
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 can you
this needed to be improved. And
go to the overleaf? Can you go to the overleaf page?
yes, sir, I can open it. Maybe open somewhere over here.
Let it compile.
Yes. Okay, so
Yes.
here it needs to be.
So can you go the relevant entry? what you can do, you select and select this arrow, left arrow. You need not scroll like that. Hello. If you
Okay, sir.
double click on eigen values vectors, then you will reach there.
Okay, so
Ah. So these are the productivity tools. Okay. Eigen
okay,
that colon should not be. I think it should be eigen values and eigen vectors. I think section name. Uh, and you see that formula, where this formula. Okay, here you can put that slash and then lambda, right? Slash and lambda before x. Yes,
yes, sir.
right.
So
Slash and lambda. No, not
it will
bracket.
write.
No, not
Okay,
bracket.
so without. Okay, okay, sir. Will it update if I
No,
compile it?
no, slash. You have to put a slash.
So slash
Backslash.
like this.
Not that. No, not there.
Wait.
Before lambda, you have to put a slash. Yes.
Okay, sir. Uh,
Not that slash, backslash.
uh,
It is below the backspace.
yeah. Okay.
Yes. Now put a star between x and lambda.
Start between x and lambda. Okay, sir.
Star.
Yes, sir.
Put a star. Yes. Now compile. Now compile, recompile. Yes.
Disconnected.
So lambda x has come. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Now lambda x is there.
इसको सही जाएगा
Can-
ईयरफोन से करना चाहिए.
Whatever corrected, is it
Hello.
reflecting here?
Hello,
Why
sir.
this error came here?
Hello, sir. Am I audible now? Okay, so sorry.
Yes. What happened?
Okay, so let me share my screen. Okay.
Why that error mark was coming?
Okay, so it's showing lambda into x also.
It is showing, but here you see cross mark has come, error has come. Why? Left side,
Okay,
yes. Missing, okay.
missing.
I think then in this formula, where is that formula? You go to that formula.
Okay, so which one, sir?
Here you should put a dollar sign before x, and x should be a small letter. Not
Before
there,
x.
not there. AX should be small, and before
Okay.
that you should put a dollar sign.
Okay, sir.
Put a dollar sign there, and at the end also put a dollar sign and make it x the small, that capital letter, not capital letter x. AX is to be a small letter. X should be a small letter, not capital letter. Not A. A should be capital. X
Okay,
should
sir.
be. Yes, you can put
Okay,
a
sir.
star also in between. X A into X to. Now
Sir, it's like it's. We should remove the star, like then it will look fine. So
okay, remove. Now yes. Now you compile. Now you see error mark has gone, and I think here it will be okay now. Yes.
Yes, sir. So I think this should be changed everywhere like this. So
So
over here
now you
also.
know how we can do that, and you do it later. Now go
Okay.
back to your PDF.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
So
Okay, so
this is to be
thi-
arranged nicely that you can do now. Okay.
okay, sir. I will update this one also. Like there should
Huh.
be
Yes.
this should be avoided.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
So next, sir, I thought that first of all we need to give a general expression, then move on to like examples. So like if we will give an examples directly, then it may be confusing a bit to solve the problems. Like
Hmm.
first we can give a general representation like ax plus by equals to a1x plus b1y equals to c, and then a2x plus b2y equals to c2, and then do some like find out
I think
matrix.
this starting of this chapter is not clear. I think it may be continuation of some place, and it has been misplaced here. Means in the sense. Okay, when we have again you go back to the linear overleaf.
Okay.
Let us see that where it has started. Yeah, we can see it. Yes. Now can you go back chapter 9? What is the chapter 9?
Okay, sir. Vector
Vector and
lin.
linear transformation. No, this is actually not linear transformation. Okay, yes, 9.1 linear transformation. Okay, it is linear transformation. Before that, go to
Sir,
chapter 8.
chapter 8. Okay, sir.
Okay, it is also vector. So now go to chapter 11. Go to
Okay,
chapter
sir.
11.
I think it's something on geometry, like
Hmm?
geometry geometry equations. Okay, so
I
like
think
equations
I
like
think here I think the starting point of that chapter 10 should
should
be
be over.
after
Yes,
this.
sir.
I think.
Yes, sir. I was also thinking about this one, like general representation a1x plus b1y.
Because means that is at means it appearing that it is started without any reference, is not it?
Yes, sir.
Chapter 10.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What I want to do that it is not mentioned in the chapter 10.
Yes, sir. Like after some time, I also lost like from where something was written, and I was not able to find out anything about that. Like from where R1 and R2 something that like that was written. So I think yeah. So now I
Okay,
can like
so
after.
chapter 10 starting we should change. Nutshell
Yes,
you
sir.
can write in note in your PDF.
Okay,
Now
sir.
you go to PDF. Now I
So
got
I will
it
look.
point. Here you make another remark that introduction of this chapter is required. Means need of this
Need
chapter.
need to rearrange chapter 11 and 10.
Huh. And at the same
Yes,
time
sir.
purpose objective of chapter 10 is to be included. Point 2 in this
Okay.
note.
Okay, sir.
Again another point you write.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Need to add
Hmm. The
objective
objective of this
for
chapter.
chapter
Hmm.
10.
So without
Okay, sir.
objective, if I start anything, it will be meaningless. Very good. So now you
Okay,
can.
sir. Okay, sir.
Hmm.
So moving, sir. Uh, over here, so it was wrong, like uh, over here. So we need to change this.
1436
So first,
divided by 1425. So I think it is okay, no?
sir, actually it's always 3614.
You mean to say it's yes, in that way, okay. That is a pattern. They write again 1 4 1 and 4 for easy remembrance, is not it? So 1 4 2 5
Actually, sir,
3
I think
6.
it's 36.
Ah,
Actually,
yes,
sir,
you are
it was,
right.
I
You are
think it
right.
was,
You are right. Again, we should replace 3 6 and 1 4. You are right. Then it
yes,
will
sir.
be -2, or what will be happen? And equation satisfied with
Sir, actually,
-2?
I think,
Hmm.
actually, actually, sir, I think this should be there here. I did a mistake over here. Like, it should be over here. So it's like written in horizontal 3 6, and over here it is in vertical. So it's wrong over here. So, like, actually, the problem is in this part, this one.
Okay. Let us go here. We can. One
Okay, sir,
four
so I will.
two five three six.
Okay, so it's like 1 into 6 minus 12 upon 5 minus 3. So it is right, but it's wrong over here. 15 minus 12
Uh,
upon. So it's over here 3 6, but he has manipulated it to do like find to bring out correct answer. He had done it like in this way, but over here 3 6 is in vertical form, and here it is written in the horizontal form. So like
no, you write it.
actually this should be,
You
yes sir.
manually calculate somewhere, putting 3
Yes
6
sir. So it
vertically.
should be like
Putting
2 3 and 2 3, so it should be like
6 5.
2 3, yeah, so
2
6, yeah,
2
yeah,
3 into
so
5 6.
5 5 6, so it should be
No,
like
it should
12
5 6
minus
should not
15,
2 5. Yes, 2 5 and 3 6. Yes. Now what is the value? Means result.
5 minus 8, so actually it's okay sir, so it should be I think 3 6 and 2
12
5.
15. So -3. Okay, -3 by -3. It is okay. Then 1. No, it is -1 answer.
Yes sir, -1. Yes sir, it's wrong, like it's also wrong, so this also needs to be changed.
No.
Minus, sorry, it should be actually 3 2 and 6 3 6 2 5. So it will be like
So
15 minus
with
12
1
upon
2
minus
that
3.
no, put 1 and 2 and see the equation satisfying or not. Put x is equal to 1, that equation. Go to the equation. Go to the equation. On the top. Same page
Yes sir.
at the top. Next, you go, yes, roll up. Yes. Now,
Yes sir.
is this equation satisfied with x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2?
Actually it's satisfying x equals to -1 and y equals to 2.
Then your answer is not wrong, right there.
Yes sir.
So here we
So
are
it's
making
actually
mistake.
wrong. Actually it's wrong, so we should make changes. So it should be like 3 2 6 5, then it will be like 3 upon -3, and then it will be -1. So that will be right.
So we have to change it like that. So you do that. Okay.
Okay
You
sir, I
put
will
it
do it.
correct one. Okay.
Okay sir.
So now go ahead. You made
Okay
correction,
sir,
no?
so yes, I will make it.
Hmm.
So geometry of row matrix, so like it was not used any further, so I think it was unnecessary over here. Like yes, it was fine to like it was like a verification point. So like if we multiply and add, then we are able to find out left hand side is equals to right hand side. So it was only like a verification. So I was thinking about there is not much need for this.
Okay. You write here need clarification. Geometry of row matrix need clarification. Need more clarification. Very good.
Okay, sir. So moving next. Sir, over here, I think this all are like, so let's see first. So A1 is like -1 comma -4, and B1 is like 4 comma 10, and C1 is like 3 comma 6. Okay. So plot 0 comma A1 and 0 comma A2. So I was not able to find out the point to this, like how to plot 0 comma A1 and 0 comma A2.
Okay. This is actually, I think,
And the
MATLAB command. MATLAB command of plotting a line with two uh, coordinates. So okay. Here also
okay, sir.
you mark
So
it,
should
and I have not given any
heading like that. So we should
graph.
write also like,
I have
yes,
entered
sir.
any graph here.
No, sir.
So graph is to be entered. Means this I told plot, but after plotting how it should look like, that should be there.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. So it should be written like this is MATLAB command, then only anyone would be able to understand.
We'll do it.
Okay, sir. So moving next. So
And
it
this
was also like a
when
general
we can see these comments only in soft copy, not in hard copy. Whatever you are putting here.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will like make changes then in the overleaf after discussing it with you.
Okay. Okay, go ahead.
Yes, sir. So it was also like over here we directly moved on to example instead of giving like a general equation first and
Yes, yes. Okay, good. Then go ahead.
so in every in every line this is written is that means like 2000 number of lines. So it will this be in the hard copy also like?
No, actually, that line numbering I have done with the purpose that when now you can refer me that, sir, this line number is wrong. I can see my PDF print and I can go there directly. So in that way,
Okay.
actually, lot of interns and lot of
Yes.
freelancer worked on this. So I made these line numbers for that purpose, for getting the exact point where we have to have mistake and how to correct it. So for that purpose, I entered this line number, but original final book it will not be there.
Okay, sir. Fine. Yes, sir. That's what only the concern like.
I'm taking a phone. Sorry.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So now I am back. Prem, you can start.
Sir, can I leave the meeting?
Yes, but I think if you don't have much work, you stay here, because this we will be talking about this a little bit about these things, or you are also required to know these things.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. So coming to this point, so it's like there is no gap between these two. So it's look
This
like
you format.
awkward.
This you format.
Yes, sir. There need to be a one line gap.
Yes,
And like the size of this one is bigger than the like bottom one. So this also needs to be like maintained if we
yes,
can.
yes. These are all formatting work.
Okay.
Yes, but
Yes, sir.
material is
Okay. So
okay.
coming
This
next.
discussion and flow is okay.
Yes, sir. Over here it is okay.
Okay, okay. Go ahead.
So, except that I mentioned, so that it's directly examples are given instead of like
That you
general
mentioned. Yes,
representation
we'll
first.
take care of that.
Okay. Okay, so coming next to, so it's like only row diagram is written over here, but nothing is given over here. Then directly column diagram is given. So if required, we need to provide a row diagram also.
Okay. Oh, I think
Uh,
Spandan had joined. Spandan, how are you? Spandan, can you listen me?
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
How are you?
Yes, sir, fine.
So, you are not responding this 2 3 days. What happened?
Sir, yesterday only my semester finished. There were three courses going on and there were a lot of problems regarding grades. Now it's over finally.
You are from which department?
Chemical.
Huh?
Chemical.
Chemical. So why IIT Delhi Chemical? Okay. Why they are pulling the academic session like that?
Sir, prof had COVID, so everything got postponed.
Okay,
Evaluation
no
of 60
problem.
marks.
So when will be free to devote entirely?
Sir, from today.
From
Everything.
today? Okay, we will have some discussion one to one. Okay.
Okay.
So now Prem, go ahead. And Nishant, if you don't
okay,
have
sir.
much urgent work, you stay. Okay. and
Actually, sir,
and
I
I
had to go.
request who is not having the video problem or signal problem, they should switch on their video so that we can interact with others. It is material will go after that, but we should have a good relationship. We should have established rapport. If you don't have problem with video transmission and internet signaling, then we should discuss as if we are physically present here. Nishant,
Uh, yeah,
it is for you also.
yeah, sir. Actually, I had to go for 15 to 20 minutes. So can I go
Okay,
and I will be
you can
back?
leave. If you have some work, you can go, and whenever you free, you can come back. No issue.
Okay, sir. I will be back in 20 minutes, sir.
Yes, no issue.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. Now, Prem, you can continue.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So this over here, it was written like right. So it was like a verified point. So like left hand side is equals to right hand side. So right should be written at the last. So it's like verified.
Okay. So you can change it, and I will also relook into this.
Okay. So coming to
I will also go through that chapter 10 once again.
yes, sir. Chapter
Okay.
yes, chapter 10 and 11. So I
Hmm.
yes, sir. So it should be like multiplying by identity matrix keeps the matrix intact. So it's
Hmm.
only written that identity matrix keeps the matrix intact. Yes, sir.
Hmm.
And it's like I think it's wrong shortcut for equation. So it's like it should be written like either equation or like equation. So it was not like understood at first glance. So this should
Hmm.
be changed.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
I'm very happy that you critically examined all those things.
Yes, sir. So over here, like it's only written like in line. So there should be bullet points or numbering should be provided to these points. Like several geometric methods are mentioned like matrix methods. cases when matrix method fails. Cases, so
I understand what you mean to say. I'll do that.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, so
These things have
next.
came without any explanation, so we need to write something about these things. So what I feel, is it right?
Yes, sir. Sir, about them. Okay, so I haven't thought about that. So I'd like these are like maybe discussed previously, so a reader may have an idea about them, matrix method or like.
Yes, you are
So
right.
we need not necessarily need to like explain them over here also.
Mhm.
Like matrix method, they will have idea. Matrix method cases when matrix method fails, it will also. So these three geometry of linear equations 2D form. So no, I don't think there need to be explanation provided in
Okay,
brief also.
okay,
So I think topic is only fine.
okay.
Okay, so coming next, so it's like it's a topic after this content is given. So we need to provide at like either darken the text or increase the font size so that it may look like it's looking like it's mixed in the content. So it's
Yes,
like after a new topic is getting started over here, so we may increase the font size or either do some like italics or something like that.
yes.
Yes, sir. So coming next, so it was like
Actually, what
intersecting
I
line or
feel, actually, what I feel in my manuscript, all these having given some geometry, and these are the caption of that geometry means figure. Okay, but he has skipped that
yes, sir.
figures and wrote that lines only. So it is not appearing what these things actually doing. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Here, do
Like
you
yeah.
say? Do you feel that something missing here?
Yes, sir. Like I haven't gone this chapter as a whole, but like yeah, these points needs to be like further explained if they are mentioned over here. It's like content should be provided for these lines. So if they're
Okay,
mentioned over here,
okay, go ahead.
so
No
yeah.
issue. Next page.
So this is necessarily missing. Yes, sir.
I'll relook on into this.
Yes, sir. So coming to this, so intersecting lines or same lines, so they are like written without any order. So
This is
like
not
it
right.
should be
I
it's
think it is not complete. You go. You roll down. Next,
yes, sir. Yes,
this
sir.
has to be supported
Yes,
with
over here.
drawings. Drawings are not there. Graphs are not there.
Okay, okay,
So
sir. So over
it
there,
is
over here
look
also.
not getting the actual meaning that we are trying to convey. This here next one you can tell.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. So all those for
Here
all those.
here
Yes, sir.
is it
So
okay after this? This I think we have
so like
already explained somewhere or next chapter. This page.
yes, sir. So I will not able to understand this point, like what is R2, what is R1. So I had to stop at this point. Like I was not having any idea about what is going on after here.
Before this page number is 159. You go to 159. Previous page.
Yeah, one. Yes,
Where it is
previous page.
starting.
Yes, sir.
Where it is a starting point.
Yes, sir. So it is line number 20. It's
No, it is not a starting of this topic. No, I am asking where this topic started.
so
Previous
its
page.
topic is
From here actually this matrix.
yes, sir. So these are incomplete. Are these incomplete?
Okay. So come back to that page 140. Yes,
Yes. So
here.
this page.
Here actually
Okay.
this is elementary row operation. Elementary row operation, what I am doing here, I am subtracting 2 times of R1 from R2 and taking that as a R2 row. So you can see that R2 minus 2 R1 is equal to how much it will come.
So I want what is R2 and what is R1?
Row.
So
Elementary
no.
row operation.
So matrix isn't. So what is the where is the matrix?
It is not matrix. Elementary row operation is done on equations.
Yes, sir. So there should be three
Spandan,
questions.
you
Like
know about that elementary row operations?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir. We know about elementary row and column operations.
No. So can you explain what is R2 minus 2 R1? Spandan?
The row 2 minus 2 times of row 1.
Hmm?
Sir, the row 2 into the row 2 minus 2 into row 1. That's only. No.
So R2 is 2x minus 2x into
Oh.
this is
Achha.
This is
Yes, sir.
elementary row operation. Just you can give a search and you can you will understand what is that. I think you know already this, and only thing I think
Yes,
there is
sir. I know elementary row operation like R2 will be replaced by R2 minus 2 times the elements of the R1 rows. But
yes, that it
I'm
has
not
been
able to
done.
understand.
Hmm?
Yes, sir. So what is R2 and what is R1? I'm confused about that point.
R2 is row
So,
2, entire row 2.
so,
All
so
coefficient will be all the elements will be there intact, and 2 times of
yes, sir. So there should be a matrix for like
it is not
finding out.
required to matrix. Initially we used to eliminate like that. We are not knowing that there is a matrix. Later we realize that x and y is not required. So first we apply this elementary operation in equations. Then we learn that this x and y carries no value meaning actually. Then we remove that xy and started operating on this when better is that I will share with you that or you can do yourself. You can download class 11 12 books from CBSE website and in mathematics website, and you check the linear algebra. There it is not linear algebra. It is chapter is what is that chapter? Equation of two variables like that. Equations of one variable, solving equation of one variable, solving equation of two variable like that. So you can see there how they are doing. It is not required that elementary row operation only in matrix. It is same as in when you apply in your equations.
Yes, sir. So I
Result
was
will be
thinking that
same.
there's
Result will be same. But
yes, sir.
initially we are not knowing about matrix. Suppose who that those people started with solving this linear equation, no, they didn't
Yes,
know
sir.
that the matrix is there. So they are all focusing on their linear equations and doing operation on that, and they are solving. Later they found that this is not required at all to carry x, y throughout. So when they removed, they got that matrix form. Material
Yes,
is
sir.
same, process is same. Only it carries the equation, and they carries the coefficient. Am I right up to this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then go ahead.
Yes, sir.
And I think
So,
this
sir, my main
calculation is
doubt.
wrong. I think that calculation is not right here. Or if it is,
Yes, sir.
you check it. This calculation may be wrong.
Sir, hello.
Hmm?
Sir, can you
So
go
can
one page up? I just want to see the first equation.
yes, sir, so that is only my doubt. So there is no first equation. Like only two equations are given.
No, there is no.
Three equations are not there. Only two equations are given. So if it is a linear equation in
One
three
equation of
variables, so
first equation
what
is getting
first equation
subtracted
is
to the second.
first equation is missing, I think.
Yes, sir.
Maybe yes, you are right.
There should be a first
So
equation
so
that is
so
getting
so so
subtracted to the
you
second.
you mention on that equation missing.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Good point. Yes.
Yes, sir. So I was not able to understand this, like this
This result may be wrong. I think that fellow
calculations are.
either my handwriting is very bad, so people get misguided. And whenever anything right, we make so many corrections. No, so typists don't know that
Yes, sir.
what these things. He just finished his or her typing. I have given someone for typing. He may not understood properly, or it is not legible, my handwriting, so it was wrongly typed or something. We have to recheck. Okay, you made it note, and
Okay.
we'll look into it. Next, you go ahead.
Yes, sir. So after this, I was not able to understand the calculations as
This is
equations
actually
were
that
not
row
provided.
operation only. I am explaining here whatever it is row operations. Here I am
Yes, sir.
seeing
So
that three rows are there, three equations are there.
yes, sir. So after that, these like several calculations were performed.
This
So I have gone
calculation,
up to this
my
point.
request to you is that we have already
Yes, sir.
shown how to matrix multiply in Excel. And you, my
Yeah.
request, you will enjoy these calculations only when you perform this calculation in Excel. Unless you
Yes, sir.
unless you do that, no, it will not excite you. What I mean to say, when you start seeing the result, no, then only it will excite you, and you will then realize the beauty of these calculations.
Yes, sir.
And as it is not available readily for a students to apply those equations and see the results, so we learn linear algebra very mechanically.
Yes, sir.
Now go ahead.
Yes, sir. So I have gone up to this point.
Okay,
So
okay,
like
no,
this
no issue.
one equation are missing, and this like made a
You
lot diff.
my request, you try to get this. I think somewhere repeated some any other chapter also this is being typed. You can see this both in combination of uh, chapter 10 and 11.
Yes, yes. Okay, sir.
You
So I will
read these
go
two
like
chapters, and then I think you will be in a better position to understand this.
okay, sir.
And this whatever now you are talking about, this is the starting points, I think, where we are trying to land. This already elimination we have explained somewhere, I think, before, but still we are coming, so we want to land somewhere. So again, my request is that you read it, and evening 7:30 we will meet again. Meanwhile, I will also read these things again in chapter 10 and 11.
So
Hmm?
read about elimination.
No, chapter 10 and
Yes,
11,
sir. Okay, sir.
once again you read it in
Okay, sir.
combination, means then you will understand the theme, and
Okay,
then
sir.
we can discuss again. These points will taken, this whatever you have done, it is good.
Okay, sir. Okay,
So
sir. So
with this, anything else you want to share?
no,
Him?
sir. No, sir.
Okay, Nishant,
I will
do
go
you
through
want
this.
to share anything?
No, no, sir. I was going through MS Mathematics right now, so I am
Very good.
trying to. Yeah.
How is it?
Sir,
Particularly, you see, every mathematics you can solve in the school level and college first year level, everything you can solve there. Calculus and linear algebra to geometry, trigonometry, complex analysis, everything. Everybody, you download MS Mathematics freely available, and practice from that how to plot 2D points, 3D points, and how to why we require means parametric equation. Try to understand all those things. Once you have a clarity, then you will be a super engineer, super technocrat. You can do anything. You can model any subject. You need not think about your civil engineering or chemical engineering or mechanical engineering. Wherever any movement is there, actually world we handle about the movements. So you can handle the movements. Even doctors also, they also handle movements. So movements means a present situation and what will be the situation in the future. So changes in the sense I am talking about movements or dynamism. So we, if you have tools with you, easy tools, so that you can make a model within 5-10 minutes, then you can model. If even this pandemic is happening, there are models to predict how the doctors predicting this spread. What formula? A small formula, 3-4 parameter formula. How with that they can predict that whether this wave will continue, not continue, when it will die down, when the next wave will come, and what are the parameters involved on that. Simple formula. And similarly, this weather report, how this weather report, this yes, and this other uh, Tokte or something,
yes,
yeah,
Taute.
this, yeah. So how they can predict that small formula, that Lorentz formula is for that only, mathematically. So from that they can calculate everything beforehand, that it is going to happen this way. That is also there. I have Excel modeling also there, and depending on your interest, I can share with you all those mathematics which is related to our life. Anywhere you can be a doctor. It is not required that doctors haven't something. If you can handle this situation, this blood flow, how heart is flowing here, the blood, and if you know that how this blood from the heart, it is coming through a big channel, is not it? Big pipe, you can say. And that big pipe is breaking, and getting smaller, and reaching every cell. So how much fragmentation or scale down it should do in that large diameter pipe in heart, which is carrying that blood, and that pipe is getting means smaller, and it is getting so teeny size it can reach each cell, and not only reaching their cell, they are supplying the oxygen and other things what is required by the cell, and all the toxic elements what cells are producing, that is also they are taking back and they are again taking it to the main pipe. It is a circle, no? So it is like our sewage system in a town, that whatever we are disposing here, it is going to somewhere, dumping there, we are reprocessing there, cleaning there, and again we are using some of them for our purpose, something like that. And what is the mathematics? Mathematics is a small formula like that, so small formulas. And once you learn that, that is the beauty of learning this mathematics in modeling way or geometrical way. Otherwise, in theory, if you see it, it will appear very complex thing. But mathematically, it is not that complex. Once you know that actual how this mathematics is to be applied. These thoughts are very small thoughts and very small, easy things. Only thing, we don't have tool to animate that or simulate that. That's why we face problem. But once you get that animation and simulation tool handy, you can create all those things. So that we can discuss if this, we will be 60, 70 days together. So if you show interest, then we can write books on all those topics. All materials are ready with me. Only thing, we have to give a shape. So with that, uh, Nishant, and I have sent that linear algebra Google Classroom code.
Yes, sir.
You join there, and then you can see these materials available there. And there I have explained that how we can solve problem, linear equation, not linear equation, any equation in Excel.
Okay.
Why it is required? Because when you get a complex equations, no, manually you cannot solve it. You require to have some handy tool. You cannot spend for solving an equation whole day. Your progress will be zero. So you need not spend time for solving equation. You know that solving equation, let the technology do it for you, and you apply the concept where it is required for that total system. Is not it?
Yes,
That
sir.
is no knowledge, but your application should be there. After solving this equation, what you will get, that is you are interested. So that we can do. And this Goldschik and solver is discussed there. So in our algebra part, what we have written in chapter 3, it is already available there. How to do it, and I have the Excel file also there. How to demonstration is there. How to do it. So you have to now all three also. I am telling you that we should have a mechanism, so that this book, when I will be providing some link on that, when they click on that link, they should able to go there and fetch the same file, so that Excel, they need not spend time even for modeling it. uh, if they knows it, then they can know that yes, because many times what will happen, all the complex situation will come, no, there it will be very difficult to explain something. So some example I am doing, 10th root of I. Sorry, 10th root of I. You have to calculate 10th root of I. What is that first thing, that 10 numbers? 10 through what I means we will have 10 different numbers, no? So what will be the 10 different numbers and how to calculate that? All this very complex manually if you want to do. But if you do through technology, it is very simple. But when I will do that, I already I have done in Excel. But in Excel, I know that what is there in Excel. We will explain in our complex analysis book, and a student should replicate that. Once they replicate how to do it, once they know the thought about it, then they can apply it in their life anywhere it is required. Okay, so these two things you parallelly you think. I am very specifically telling uh, where to place, what are the best place to place those files, and how one can retrieve those files if they have that link. You can explore my website also. I don't know, Sadab was trying to do something in my website, but last 2 3 days I have not heard from him, whether he may be busy or somewhere. But you also do these things parallelly. It will not consume much time, but it will have this also required, because you have to uh, acquire knowledge, but at the same time this documentation and all those things is required for your life. So parallelly you these two, if you can suggest me best way what can be, or you can take help from your friends who is good in this type of thing, uh, you can take suggestion from your group members. You got my point, what I want to say.
Yes, sir.
So that is also you take on priority, and try to do that. And evening we will be meeting again at 7, and meanwhile you complete chapter 10 and 11 frame, and make
Okay,
a
sir.
short write up about what you have done. I am not interested that much on that. That you put it in DPR for record sake, but you have to give the theme, means what you have learned from that, from your perspective. This line was, oh, I have learned these things from this book. This line is not properly taken in a short form, means whether I can, from that I can understand that whether what is you learned and whether you are in means right track or not, or whether my thought and your thought is matching or not. Okay,
Okay, sir.
and for that you need not type all the way. uh, Voice typing is very good tool. As I am talking to you, no, you just start that DPR file, tools, docs file in tool, then voice typing, and then switch it on and go on speaking whatever your thought in mind. So everything will be typed there automatically.
Okay, sir.
So every day you do that. This will make you that our frequency will be in same way. If it is diverting, then we may not reach in a same point. Okay.
Okay,
And
sir.
Spandan, now let us have some discussion. Now you, Prem and Nishan, then you can leave the meeting if you have something in mind, and we'll have some discussion with Spandan about it. He is here joined today, and
Okay.
can you introduce yourself to Nishant, and you know each other? No? So, Spandan, you introduce yourself to Nishant and Prem.
Chandan, I'm from Chemical Engineering Department in third year. You should will be knowing. What else? I'm from Karakoram Hostel. And what else you need want to know about me? I'm from Mathura, and that's it. In short, I have explained about myself.
Okay. And Nishant, you tell about yourself.
Okay. Yeah. So Spandan, I am Nishant. I'm doing BTech in Civil Engineering Department. I have also completed my third year and will be going in my fourth year. So I am from UP, Gorakhpur. You're also from UP, na?
Yes,
Spandan.
I'm living in Mathura. I'm not
Okay,
from.
okay, okay,
Live.
okay. Yeah. So that is all about me.
Prem.
Yeah, so hello, my name is Prem Kumar and I'm currently in Civil Engineering Department in ITD. So I am I was in Vindhyachal Hostel and I am currently living in Bihar, Arwal district.
Okay. So with that, we will be working on, and I'm telling you, anytime you can call me if some where you are getting confusion. So don't linger it. You ask me, and then it will help you progress in much more distance. If you stuck somewhere and stop there, then your progress will be less. So don't hesitate to call me. I will be available. I have left my job for doing all those things. So these are my priority work. Though I have some other work to finish a book and publish it as soon as possible. I am trying to do that. But still, for you, I will be spend giving some priority on every time you face, because I want that your pace should be very high. You should be able to learn maximum things if possible in these 60, 70 days. And at the same time, you can give good output about that. We are making a target around 10th so that we can complete our linear algebra book, and then we will take up another subject. So with that, Nishant and Prem, you can leave the meeting and we'll have
Sir,
some time with,
Okay, sir.
huh? Yes,
sir, I had one thing to ask that
yes.
you told to for modeling the surfaces you told that MS mathematics is fine. It is very easy to learn, and you also told that for doing same thing in Excel you will guide us. So
Mm.
that is also to be done.
Today evening I will be telling that. I
Okay.
will try to actually my that laptop I had this MATLAB installed. No, that my laptop has crashed, so I don't know. I cannot. I'll try to make it demonstration in MATLAB also. I will take a class of MATLAB also, but you have to install it MATLAB.
Okay, sir. Okay.
You try to install MATLAB also. And I think your
Okay, sir.
college has license. You can contact your
Yes, sir.
college, and you should have your MATLAB. And if it is installed, then you make it. So evening 7:30 we will discuss and we will demonstrate the MATLAB also.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
And you all
I'll,
send me your address, and in so that sometime I feel some books to be sent, I will send it to your address through Amazon.
okay, sir. So I will send it in the group.
Yeah, and my books are now available in that our website, and there I think there are I have put some discount coupon, so you can get it free. I think so. Try to explore that option, and can make try to make order from that, so that we can establish that process also. I have ordered a paid copy for myself, means for testing, and it was successful. So I want, if you want, that you can also order from with using discount coupon, so it can be free. And whether you check whether this is working or not, this process.
Okay, sir.
So evening again we will meet. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
So now Spandan, about yourself and your uh, project. Uh, what actually now we have lot of work on that bridge application project and mathematics project. Okay, so you have the option to choose among these two. Sometimes you express that you are very interested in coding, but as it was not open for chemical engineers, so you could not apply. I think something you mentioned.
Yes, sir, I
So
will.
if you are really interested in coding, I can put you in coding also. If
Yes,
you
sir.
like and enjoy.
That's my first preference, sir. I will devote all my time on that.
So can you tell me about your coding experience?
Sir, in first year I started, I got to know about Python. It was our one of our core courses in our first year. Then in second year, we are having a course, numerical methods in chemical engineering. That is our core course in chemical engineering. So it included, we had to code in C++ in that. So for that course, I started doing after Python. In first year, I started doing C++. In second year for that course, and then came the thermodynamics course. Means we had various courses in chemical engineering. For that, we had to mostly do coding in C++. Then in this sixth semester, this semester, I had taken one of the most difficult courses that people say in IIT Delhi. That is the data structures and algorithm courses. The course that is called
What is that?
106.
What is that
Data
course?
structures and algorithms. That
Data
is a
science.
5
Data.
data structures and algorithms.
Okay. Hmm.
So it's a 5 credit course and it's very heavy course. There is no course that is a 5 credit course in IIT Delhi. So it includes, extensive knowledge of Java you have to apply, and you have to create various data structures. You have to apply various algorithms, and basically we designed various things. Like for example, we designed a data. There was a database management project for a restaurant, for basically to help the restaurant to get an idea of what the profit they will get if, for example, they have X number of customers coming in X amount of minutes. So basically, we simulated a restaurant for that. So we did various projects in that course. So we had this course that I had done in this semester and also scored a grade point of 8. So I have the knowledge, the good knowledge about coding. So I'm very excited. I'll be very, interested to do anything if it's given that is related to coding. So I have prior knowledge, so I'll be able to do. So that is,
Very good. Very good. Do you have any idea about Google Firebase?
sir, I have heard but not done. I will have to
Okay,
learn.
no issue. So I think then we will my bridge application 90 95% I should say ready for implementation.
Okay.
Means you need not add any coding on that. Much add. Everything has been coded already.
Okay.
You have to learn that. You have to use that, and if somewhere it is required, you have to edit that.
Okay. Okay.
And this is very powerful package we have created here. You have a database, you have networking, you have graphics, you have means everything, even video communication, chat communication is also there. Means chatting application also there. If the players can chat with each other, with referee, and all those things are already there. and we are at the uh, high level of adding video chat also. So we have added videos. Videos is working, but we are now in a not in a position to transmit that videos. So that part is left. You, if you like, first you learn that app, and then we can see, you can see the possibility of adding any value on that direction or in implementation direction. So whatever, after understanding the total app, you can choose again which part you want to concentrate.
Okay, okay. For that, I have to learn first about that.
Yes, yes. So that is primary thing, first thing. And already we in this project, Ram Nayak is working. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Ram Nayak is from
I've talked.
CSE. Huh?
Yes, yes, I've talked to him yesterday only.
Okay,
Friend
okay.
of
You had a talk. Okay. Okay, good. So you can take help of him, and about how to install this Qt creator, create one two sample app, and once you are comfortable, then I will share my code. The code I have shared with Ram Naik is uh, not having the video part.
okay.
Uh, in some functionality we have added through a freelancer who has added video part, and that file is a separate file, same application, but what I have shared with him, he is not having that video part included in that, but I will share with you where the video part is included on that.
Okay.
So once you get familiar with Qt Creator, then only I think today you can learn all those things,
Yes,
how
yes.
to install all those things, and readily you can get Ram Nayak help, and he is very nice guy and helpful. And today you finish that installation and creating an application on that simple application, whatever may be.
Okay, okay.
So is it? It sounds good.
Yes, sir, yes, sir. Today I'll.
Okay. So we need not meet around say 7. Somewhere you update through WhatsApp. Yeah,
Okay,
whatever your level. Whenever you suppose I installed Qt, then I have created app like that. You keep on updating. Unnecessarily, we will not disturb you for meetings and all those things. Once I know that yes, you are now familiar with how to create app in this, then you can make a call and I will share my files with you.
okay, sir. Okay. I'll update you whatever I've learned. Okay.
Yes. Keep on updating in WhatsApp. Okay. Okay. Thank you. So let us have a good internship experience
Yes, sir.
with us. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay,
Okay.
sir. Should I leave?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay. Bye.